Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel Chaos Craze. Hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to show you some hand embroidery threads. Frequently one question is asked by all my viewers that what kind of thread I'm going to use or I'm using for my hand embroidery tutorial. So here is your answer. Here you can see some cotton lassa thread and a silk thread. This is a silk thread. This thread is made from polyester or nylon. So this is a silk thread, as you can see. Usually I use this thread for tassel making. If you want, you can also use this thread for stitching. And this is a cotton lassa thread. As you can see, this thread is made from cotton. I prefer this thread for embroidery. Silk thread is very glossy, and I am shooting this video in a daylight, so you can see the original color and the texture of the threads. Cotton thread is not glossy. And I have another thread I have to show you guys. This is a anchor or DMC thread. This thread has a fine texture, and this is very costly in Bangladesh. By the way, I bought these threads from a local shop in Bangladesh, a local thread shop. So cotton lassa thread is very cheap according to me, and DMC thread is very costly for me. So I prefer cotton lassa thread for stitching. So you can use thread according to your work. So as you can see, this is another silk thread. So for now I'm going to signing out. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share and comment, and please visit our Facebook page Chaos Craze. Allah Hafiz, take care.